ATC Weather Lab. Here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back and happy Mardi Gras. Hopefully you enjoyed the day today. Finally sunshine and temperatures cold, yes, but it could have been a lot worse. It could have been rainy, so that is the good news, or icy like it was just 5 years ago. Well, we're going to have another nice one tomorrow. It makes 2 days in a row of sunshine, and we haven't seen much of that for the entire calendar year of 2019 so far. So looking ahead, where is the next weather maker? Well, we go out into the Pacific. We have an upper level disturbance here and a surface low that's producing more weather over California. This batch of energy right here is going to kick this eastward, and that's going to be our next weather maker as we head into Saturday. Showers and storms will be likely, and it looks like another severe weather event. Hopefully not in Acadiana, but it could be close by. As we look at the satellite imagery late this evening, plenty of rain again across California. It's been an embarrassment of riches for snowfall across the Sierra Nevada as well. More big snows there. That's moving into the west. Couple of winter storm watches ahead, and then we go off to the east. It's relatively quiet. Notice all the flood warnings here, and actually we come in and look real close in on the infrared satellite imagery. We'll go from day to night, and notice how the lakes start showing up nicely in this imagery. This is the high resolution GOES imagery, and then you can see the swollen Mississippi here, especially as we get into the nighttime hours. You see those darker areas, and you see the rivers here in Alabama that are all swollen. See how they show up very nicely here. Big bump coming down the Mississippi over the next several weeks thanks to the heavy rains that were in Mississippi up into Tennessee a few weeks ago. But we got a lot of snow to the north of us, more on the way, and that's going to be melting, and that's going to add to the river down the line, not only as we go through this month, but April as well. So something to keep in mind down the road. Another freeze likely for tonight. Light freeze across the entire region, upper 20s, lower 30s for several hours, anywhere between 3 and 5 hours. So just the plants and pets, don't need to worry about the pipes for tonight. Upper 20s, lower 30s this morning with wind chills in the lower 20s. We got up to 50 this afternoon. Now we're settling back down into the 30s. Most spots 40 in Lafayette, a little bit of a heat island effect there. And with temperatures dropping and winds lightening up, there's going to be a good frost tomorrow morning. So get up nice and early to check out some of the whiteness that we'll see on the rooftops, on the grass, on the cars, and allow a little extra time to defrost your windshield as well. So nice and chilly tomorrow morning. High pressure begins to push off to the east in the afternoon. We'll start to see some high clouds coming in, but temperatures starting to warm up. Should be a pretty nice day. But then as we head into your Thursday morning, clouds on the increase. Here comes a warm front, milder air, plenty of clouds, and temperatures, this model getting us well into the 60s, and we think we'll get into the 60s for sure. And then as we go into Friday morning, mild with temperatures starting in the mid 60s and then rising into the 70s for the afternoon. Slight chance of an isolated shower. I just got 10% on Friday. We'll see if this is a trend. Might have to boost that up to 20%. We got the first Downtown Alive coming this Friday as well, so we'll keep an eye on that. So as we look ahead down the road, here comes the next weather maker. Big storm here. Could be a severe weather threat, especially up toward northeastern Louisiana, Arkansas, and Mississippi. We might be in on the mix as well. We're hatched in for a slight risk Saturday, but we may go down to marginal, but those areas to the north may go up. And then this frontal boundary stalls across the area, so we'll see clouds, showers Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and then comes the next weather system, and it looks like another severe weather threat. So you're getting the idea. Some active storms down the road, and another cool down as we go toward the end of next week, and maybe, just maybe, we'll get a nice sunny weekend for the weekend that follows this one. We'll keep our fingers crossed on that. Near term tonight, temperatures in the mid to upper 20s, northern parishes of Acadiana, I-10 corridor, upper 20s to lower 30s. Nice and frosty more than likely for everybody, even all the way down to the coast, even though temperatures will be a little bit milder. Then after that chilly start, temperatures get into the mid 50s for tomorrow afternoon. Should be a lovely day, and a lot of us have off except the weather and news folks. We will be here, but it might be a nice day to be off. So light freeze and frost will be likely for tomorrow morning. Protect the plants and just the pets. Clear skies, 30-31 the low for Lafayette. Nice cool day tomorrow, but mostly sunny skies, and with light winds, it's going to feel a lot milder than that 56. Normally, this time of year, we should be hitting 70, so we're behind the curve there. Mid to upper 60s Thursday, mid 70s on Friday, and 70s into the weekend as well. But the rain chances will be ramping up Saturday. Right now, 70%. Doesn't look like a solid squall line quite yet that'll be moving across the area, but that number could go up, and we'll have a better beat on the threat of severe weather as well coming up later this week.
All right, thanks, Rob.